Hello, students. Perhaps your instructor is using a tool called Zoom to host online meetings, like webinar style meetings with you. In that case, and I want to share with you a few different ways that you can access those Zoom meetings. So this is going to share for students just how to access, how to get into Zoom meetings. It's going to depend on how your instructor has this set up. So it might be the case that you have a link to a Zoom room on the homepage of a Canvas course, as I do here. So here's a link that I could use to access the Zoom for this class. It could be in some classes that you have a link to Confer Zoom over in the menu of Canvas. And when you click on that link in Canvas, you're going to see an option that says Join as a student. That's going to give you access to that Canvas, to that Zoom room as a student. And that's, in that case, that's the way that you would join the session. So if you don't see that Confer Zoom in your menu here, and you don't see anything in Canvas like on this home page with a link to your Zoom room, then hopefully your instructor has sent you an email with the Zoom invitation and the connection information that would have a link to join the Zoom session, as well as a meeting ID for joining the audio of that session. I'm going to go ahead and click on this one now, and we'll see what happens. It's going to connect me to the Zoom URL launcher, and I want to go ahead and open that. So it opens up my URL Zoom launcher, and I have to connect my audio. So I'm going to be seeing stuff on the screen, but I'm also going to be hearing and needing a mic in order to contribute audio to this meeting. So it's going to ask me here, am I going to use the computer audio? Like, do I have a microphone and a speaker set up on this computer? Or am I going to use using my phone audio to call in? And if that's the case, then here's a phone number that you can use to just dial in so that you can listen using your phone while you're watching from the computer screen. In this case, I do have a microphone set up, so I'm going to click on Join with Computer Audio, and it tells me I am now using computer audio. So you'll see at the bottom, as I move that mouse at the bottom, there's a menu, mute button. So that would be how I mute myself if there's a lot of background noise in the coffee shop that I'm at, or if my kids are running around in the background. It's a smart thing to mute your microphone so you're not disturbing the other attendees in the meeting. Start video allows you to start your video. Hello. So if you've got a webcam, it will allow you to share your beautiful face with the group. Otherwise, you can keep that turned off, and that's an option as well. The other things available to you down here, so you can click on the participant list and you'll see who is in this meeting with you. So once there are other folks in the meeting, it's kind of fun to see who's there. You have an option here to raise your hand. Yes, no. So once there's a lot of students joining, then these icons kind of become handy if you do have a question while your instructor is speaking. Then the instructor can kind of scan the list and they get a little notification on your webcam or on your account, your participant window, that you've got a question. So that's how you raise your hand with that. The other thing is the chat window. So let me lower that participant list. Your chat window is if you haven't been successful at connecting your audio, so you don't have your audio and your instructor and classmates are not hearing you in Zoom, then you can always use the chat window and type your chat messages in there as well. Okay, so that's a real basic overview of getting into Zoom and of just the basic menu items that are available here. Once you're ready to leave the meeting, you have a leave meeting option, and now we will be out of Zoom. In a subsequent video, I'll show you how you can do that from the Zoom mobile app. Thanks for watching.